The inventory of plants in a garden. The inventory can be accessed from both the drawing application and the plant cards by selecting the small basket in the right-hand menu. The inventory allows you to see your complete list of plants in the garden. It allows you to see the plants offered by our seed partners and proceed directly to purchase. It automatically calculates the right seed format and quantity to buy, but you can change this if you want to order more or less. For plants where you expect to have to buy seeds, the inventory alerts you to the possibility of changing to an equivalent or similar plant offered by our seed supplier partners. It informs you in real time of the availability of seeds from the seed supplier. This allows you to quickly see which seeds are selling fast and to change plant or seed suppliers so you don't end up empty-handed. If you already have seeds and don't need to buy any, simply check the purchase box. You can filter or sort the plants in your inventory alphabetically, by planting strategy, or by the deadline for purchasing the plants and seeds. The small seed packet icon shows you the germination capacity of the seeds, the temperature, and the germination time. If you have checked a purchase box or sent the order via a seed supplier's shopping cart, the date of the last purchase is recorded here. This helps you decide whether to buy new ones, do a germination test, or use your reserves. If you are doing both indoor sowing and direct sowing for the same plant, the inventory will group the seed purchase under indoor sowing. For those who support tisanji, it is possible to print the inventory and professional licenses can export it to an Excel file. From the inventory, just like in your garden plan, you can modify the planting strategies for a plant for the entire garden. The plant cards section, the inventory, and the drawing applications are all synchronized. Changes made in one are automatically applied to others, whether you are on the same device or different devices.